Amazon Online Arbitrage involves purchasing products at a discounted price from other online or brick-and-mortar retailers and then reselling them on Amazon at a higher price to make a profit. This strategy requires researching profitable products, finding reliable suppliers, managing inventory, and staying up to date with Amazon's selling policies and fees. Successful Amazon Online Arbitrage sellers often use tools and software to streamline their operations and maximize profits. Amazon Online Arbitrage is a popular strategy for making money on Amazon by buying products at a discount from other online retailers or brick-and-mortar stores and reselling them on Amazon for a profit. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research profitable products. Use tools like CamelCamelCamel, Jungle Scout, or Helium 10 to find products that consistently sell well on Amazon and have a high profit margin. Look for items that are in demand, have low competition, and can be sourced at a discount. 2. Find discounted products. Check out websites like Overstock, Woot, and Sears Outlet for deals on popular items. You can also use apps like Rakuten or Honey to find coupons and promo codes for online retailers. 3. Purchase the products. Once you've found a product at a discount, make the purchase using your Amazon seller account. Be sure to check the estimated delivery date to ensure you'll receive the items in time to list them on Amazon. 4. List the products on Amazon. Create listings for the products using accurate titles, descriptions, and keywords to help them rank higher in search results. Set competitive prices that will attract buyers while still allowing for a profit margin. 5. Ship the products. When the items arrive, pack them securely and ship them to your customers using Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) service or your own shipping method. Be sure to include tracking information and follow Amazon's shipping guidelines to avoid any issues with customer satisfaction or seller performance metrics. 6. Manage your inventory. Keep track of your stock levels and reorder items as needed to maintain consistent availability for your customers. Consider using inventory management tools like SkuVault or Stitch Labs to streamline this process and optimize your stock levels based on sales data. 7. Monitor your performance. Regularly check your seller metrics, such as order defect rate, ODR, prep time, and customer feedback, to ensure you're meeting Amazon's performance standards and avoiding any account suspension issues. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly.